Hello guys, and in this video I am going to show you how to add new image in your PowerPoint presentation. And if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribe and like in this video. First you need to open PowerPoint on your computer. I already opened that one. Then after in this menu you need to choose the insert option. Then choose pictures. It will it will pop up this kind of menu. There are two options here, this device and online pictures. In my case, I like to use my device image, so choose the first one. And if you like to use online image, you can choose the second one. Just click the option. Then after you need to find the location the picture is located. In my case, it is in pictures and inside the nature folder. Now you can choose the image you need. Just select that one and tap on insert. Yes, you can see it is inserted. Then after you can see the new window is opened. It's called picture format. You can resize the image by just using these dots. Other than that, you can do several changes, like you can choose the corrections, and you can compress pictures, and you can add the borders like this. As an example, if we, yeah, this one is perfect, so I choose this one. And you can add picture borders, picture effect, like 3D effects you can use for this one. Yeah, these are the things you can do with the pictures. And you can add the animation for this one. Just select the image and go to animation and choose the animation effect you need, like fade kind of thing, and you can create the slideshow from this. So yeah, this is the basically how you can add the image from this, from the PowerPoint. So if you think this video helpful, please consider subscribe and like in this video.